doing B-roll. That's long-winded, that is, but hopefully it pads the video out. No clue on the content, but I'm Kai, I'm Groovy Stance. I've got Charles with me, well, not physically here, but he's here helping me with the business, doing bits and bobs like that. You probably know him for his E92, great thing, stupid camber. He decided to put a turbo in a stupid place, and yeah, that's what we do. But yeah, starting the whole vlog game, excuse the quality, getting used to it, on the angles. I have no clue what I'm doing. Literally, I've just had Corey from Loco, and I'll put information down below, and Zach, Chubs on bass, Chubs on Scrubs, however you know him. Everybody seems to know that geezer. But yeah, I had them two poking me constantly to do vlogs, videos, things like that. Because apparently what I do is entertaining. I can't see it, I glue metal together, but apparently people are into that. So yeah, a bit of an introduction to me, what I do. Now on route to the workshop. Yeah, got a couple of little things in. Got Jay Stevo's car, E46 wide body, a bit of a mad thing. Not everyone's cup of tea, but he likes it. I personally, I think it's pretty cool. I hate E46s. Everybody take that to heart because it's the internet, it does. But I actually rate this one. But yeah, we got to do full exhaust system on that. Got all the bits to boot. You saw me loading them up. Full exhaust system. Got to do intercooler. Get that all done. Bit of a rush because it's getting fully painted. But yeah. Now on route to the workshop, we'll check in when we get there and we'll go from there. Thanks. Right, just got to the workshop. Had a couple of orders overnight, which is mad. Love for that. I'll put a link in the description for the website, groovystance.co.uk. Yeah, got an influx on N47 downpipe orders. So, what we're going to do, we're going to get these welded out. All the cuts already done for the downpipes. That is what the old DPF looks like. And that's what we build to replace it. Decat downpipe, get all the horsepower, make obnoxious diesel noises. That's what it's about. But this is the workshop, nothing crazy. We've got Charlie's E92. You've all probably seen and heard it. Most obnoxious E92 going. But that sums it up. Over here we've got Jay Stevo and his E46 we were talking about earlier. With his wide body kit. Again, gonna be another obnoxious beamer. And yes, we are repping the Mark IV Golf wheels. Don't ask, he's got these bad boy BC Forge wheels, but as you can see, we had a flat tyre and it popped off the bead. But, adapter life, we got a BMW on Mark IV wheels. Banging. And then, last but not least, we've got the one and only Corey from Loco. A little bit of a self-plug, even though they don't need it from me, because they're already a massive. This is in for a bit of a surprise for Corey. It's getting wrapped by Charlie. I'm sorting out the exhaust. But yeah, cool car. Always wanted a 350. The ultimate Need for Speed car, in my opinion. But yeah, he hates it at the minute, so hopefully me and Charlie can change that, and he'll love it again. But yeah, but for now, gonna crack on with some downpipes, get them all tacked together. So I'll probably see if I can figure out how to put it on a time lapse. Got a knock on the door, got really interrupted, don't know where I finished, so we're gonna mash this all together. But yeah, probably gonna stick it on a time lapse, get some downpipes done, and yeah, you can watch me tack some downpipes together. Apparently that's exciting, but I gotta be up here. Everyone told me I've got to be up here. But yeah, we'll go to time lapse.
2 hours later.
Right, couple hours have gone by, things escalated, music playing, got in my own little bubble, ended up fully welding out with the downpipes. Give you a little preview of them. Got them welded out, happy days. So yeah, this video took a little bit of a turn. I'm going to jump on Jay's car. That's now been pushed to tomorrow. But yeah, we'll see how things go. I don't know what I'm going to vlog from now on. Not really much more content because I'm going to think about going home. Probably edit this video, do some bits and bobs like that. And yeah, we'll see where it ends up. Right, didn't know where this was going to end up. Edit the video. It's quite easy to do, to be fair. Quite impressed with myself. Never done it before. But yeah, not really much to say. I don't know when to upload it. We'll see. You'll find out, obviously. But yeah, I think it went a little bit, well, went quite successful for the first vlog. Not very much exciting going on, but there's a little taster, what I'll do. More exciting things will be coming soon. When we go shows, we'll go drive Charlie's car. Well, I won't. Well, I don't know, I might do actually. You never know. Yeah, we can get some sound clips, customer cars. Obviously, we're going to jump on Corey's car. That'll then be tied into the Loco Love vlog. But yeah, appreciate all the people sticking this far. It means a lot. Nearly 10 minutes of me talking to myself. Still a weird concept. But yeah, appreciate all the love. Check the website out, Instagram, groovystance.co.uk, Groovy Stance on Instagram, Facebook. But yeah, do all the usual YouTubey goodness, like, comment, subscribe, do all that jazz. Much love.